Struggling to find time to exercise while juggling work and life? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, MERACH Under Desk Elliptical. First up is the MERACH Under Desk Elliptical machine, priced around $128.33. What caught my eye is its smooth, low-impact elliptical motion, perfect for burning calories without straining your joints. If you want a convenient way to stay active while sitting, this is worth a serious look. It also features a whisper-quiet operation, 15 dB, so you can pedal away without disturbing anyone around you. The LED touch display tracks time, distance, speed, and calories, while a remote control makes it super convenient, especially for seniors or those in rehabilitation. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a reliable option that doesn't require you to sacrifice workout quality, this is a minor issue. After all, it's designed to fit under desks, but it's just a tad larger than some competitors. This is perfect for you if you're someone who spends long hours sitting and wants an effective way to sneak in some exercise. Skip this one if you have extremely limited space, since it might take up more room than you'd like. But considering its features, the price is quite reasonable for what you get. Now, if the size of the MERACH bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Hemily Under Desk Bike. Next up is the Hemily Under Desk Bike, which retails for about $61.55. I love the adjustable multi-level resistance feature. It really caters to different fitness levels. If you want a lightweight and portable option, this is worth a serious look. This mini bike is designed for both arm and leg exercises, making it ideal if you're looking to target different muscle groups. With a digital LCD display showing time, count, calories, and distance, you'll easily keep track of your progress. It weighs only 7.6 pounds, making it super easy to move around your home or office. The adjustable resistance, really tailored to your specific needs, is a game changer for anyone looking to gradually increase their workout intensity. However, some users mentioned that the resistance knob can feel a bit flimsy. Now here's the thing, if you're careful with it, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Most of the time, it works perfectly fine and allows you to customize your workout. This is perfect for you if you want something simple and effective without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a heavier-duty machine for intense workouts, since this is more geared for light exercise. For its price, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for convenience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, RYGDO Mini Exercise Bike. At number 3, we have the RYGDO Mini Exercise Bike, priced at $37.21. What surprised me is how lightweight and portable this bike is, making it perfect for those recovering from surgery. If you need something gentle and easy to use, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable tension knob lets you rotate and control resistance easily, making it suitable for different fitness levels. It also doubles as a great tool for arm and leg cycling, which is perfect for anyone looking to improve mobility. The compact design means you can easily store it away when not in use, and it's sturdy enough to last. One downside to consider is that some users have reported it feeling less stable during intense pedaling. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for gentle exercise or rehab, that shouldn't be an issue. It holds up well for what it's intended for. This is perfect for you if you're in recovery or just want a basic exerciser. Skip this one if you need something for high-intensity workouts, as it's designed for low impact. Honestly, for the price, you can't really go wrong. Now, if you want something that offers a bit more versatility without compromising on quality, the next bike is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, AGM Under Desk Bike. Next up is the AGM Under Desk Bike, retailing for around $55.44. This bike caught my attention because it offers both arm and leg workouts, which is a fantastic feature. If you're looking for something that can do a bit of everything, this is worth a serious look. The AGM bike is designed to fit easily under your desk, letting you pedal away while you work. With adjustable resistance, you can easily tailor your workout to your fitness level. The non-slip pedals are a nice touch, ensuring stability during use. Plus, it comes with an LCD display to track your workout progress, which keeps you motivated. A downside is that some users found the assembly a bit tricky. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're not handy, this might be a mild frustration. But once you get it set up, you'll appreciate its versatility. This is perfect for you if you're looking to incorporate movement into your day-to-day activities without a big commitment. Skip this one if you want a more heavy-duty model for rigorous workouts, as it's better suited for moderate use. Still, for the price, it's quite a solid investment. Now, if you want something that's more user-friendly and offers a bit more tech, the last product will definitely impress you. Product number 5, FITKS 360 Underdesk Elliptical. Finally, we have the FITKS 360 Underdesk Elliptical, priced at $52.61. What stands out about this product is its full-body workout capabilities, allowing you to engage both your arms and legs simultaneously. If you want a versatile machine for low-impact exercise, this is definitely worth a serious look. The adjustable tension knob allows you to customize your workout intensity, and the LCD monitor helps you track your progress in real time. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to move around, which is great for those who want to switch up their workout location. However, some users mentioned it may not provide enough resistance for more experienced fitness enthusiasts. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a low-impact option for maintaining fitness, it's still a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an injury or just want to maintain an active lifestyle while working. Skip this one if you're after a high-intensity workout machine, as it's more suited for gentle exercise. With its features, it offers great value for the price. Now, as we wrap up, let's quickly compare all 5 products. So we've covered 5 great mini exercise bikes today. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the MERACH Underdesk Elliptical because of its smooth operation and adjustable resistance, perfect for staying active while working. On the flip side, I'd avoid the RYGEO Mini Exercise Bike if you need something more stable for intense workouts. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.